Welcome to AP Bio.
Here's how to get a 5 in the AP test. Do your reading guides so that you actually know what's going on in class.
Before the test, make sure you get an adequate amount of sleep and a good breakfast. It's basic stuff, but it'll help you to focus and get a better score on the test. Oh no. If you have questions about any of the material reviewed in class, you should ask Mr. Crispiels about it instead of being confused forever. Or you could look it up online.
When doing your lab write-up, make sure to analyze your graphs in your conclusion, and make sure to keep claim, evidence, and reasoning in mind.
Take AP Bio practice tests, the free response parts, and the multiple choice. It's good to know what the practice tests look like so that you'll be prepared when you take the actual AP Bio test.
Make sure you learn and understand all of the biological cycles, like those involved in cellular respiration and photosynthesis.
Make sure you know how to apply all of the constants and the variables in the various formulas, such as the chi-squared and the water potential ones. If you do poorly on a test in the class, make sure that you review that material before the AP Bio test in order to have a firmer understanding of it when the actual test comes along, because it's probably important. Actually try on the Pogles and worksheets. Don't just fill them out because you only get credit if they're full. A full understanding of the worksheets actually leads to a better grade and a better understanding of the material in the class.
The basic instructions on the test are just basically common sense, and you should have already read them in the practice test. So don't waste your time on the actual test reading over the directions.
On your first time through the test, bubble in every answer that you're sure about. Then go back through and reread every question that you aren't completely sure about, trying to fill them in as best as you can. Once the proctor calls 10 minutes, or you see that there isn't much time left, just begin bubbling in letters for the questions that you have no idea about. When reading the book or working on the test, don't be put off when you come across large words like phosphofructokinase. When you're reading it in the book, feel free to work it out into its smaller parts to figure out what each of it means in order to understand the word better. On the test, it probably doesn't matter. It's probably just some confusing name in order to try to trip you up. You might not have to read the entire question on some of the longer ones. Read through the answers first and eliminate any that don't make sense.
Make sure you pay attention during the labs in class, and if there's anything you missed, go online to the online labs and review the information there.
Don't be a failure. Get a 5.
I'm Mr. Crispiels, and welcome to AP Bio. I'm looking forward to a great year with all of you.
Don't be a failure. Get a 5.
I'm Mr. Crispiels, and welcome to AP Bio. I'm looking forward to a great year with all of you.
Welcome to AP Bio.
Here's how to get a 5 on the AP test.
Welcome to AP Bio.
Here's how to get an A on the AP test.
An
An
A?
A on the AP test, never mind.
An A.
An A, yes.
You want to get a B because that's a 5.
Okay. Do the labs. No, okay. I'll restart that.
Okay.
Don't be a failure. Get a 5.